Ginger is the root of the perennial plant Cingiber officinale. Ginger is a spicy, pungent herb that's used for cooking and healing. Ginger is among the healthiest and most delicious spices on the planet. It is loaded with nutrients and bioactive compounds that have powerful benefits for your body and brain. Here are 4 remedies that use ginger. 1. Ginger plus honey drink. The primary indication that our body gives us when any infection of flu is contracted is through a sore throat. At this time, grate some ginger and add it to a pan of boiling water. Once it boils, add the honey into it and squeeze half a lemon and you are good to go. This is beneficial for both sore throats and cough. Ginger reduces the inflammation caused in a throat when it is sore, and the honey helps in soothing it, also taming the rough coughs. 2. Ginger plus tulsi tea. This has been a remedy in most Indian households for a very long time. All you will have to do is grate ginger and add 4 to 5 tulsi leaves into your water while making tea. Let this water boil for around a minute and then add the rest of the ingredients. This infusion of ginger and tulsi together will reduce the temperature of your body if you have a fever and will also help you get relief from headaches and cough. 3. Lemongrass plus ginger drink. Lemongrass is also rich in antifungal and anti-inflammatory properties, which helps you cope with flu, cold and cough. When combined with ginger, this drink works nothing less than magic. Boil the grated ginger and add either dried or fresh lemongrass to the boiling water. Turn the flame off and let this infuse for 3 to 4 minutes. You can add honey if you like it sweet. 4. Lemon plus ginger drink. Adding lemon juice to hot water along with some ginger helps in preventing and removing phlegm from the body. Ginger also works as an antioxidant and helps the body in releasing toxins, which further results in the removal of the infection and flu. Boil ginger water and squeeze some lemon into it. The vitamin C present in lemon also works as an active agent in the removal of mucus and provides relief in pain. Are you visiting our channel for the first time? Then click the subscribe